Hi, welcome back. Here's how you can round corners of your video in Premiere Pro. So once you've dragged your footage into the project, drag it into the sequence. Afterwards, click on the video layer, go to Effect Controls, and then decrease the size, just like this. And then we're going to round the corners of the video so that it looks like a film print. Go to Effects, type Roughen, and then drag Roughen Edges into the footage. Afterwards, you change the edge type to cut, the border size to 200, and then the fractal influence to 0, just like so. You can even do some tweaks with the sharpness, just like this, or make it smooth, just like this. I like it sharp, so let's make it this way. So that's how you can round the corners of your video in Premiere Pro. Thank you for watching. Give it a like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. But for me, it's good day. Ciao.